Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an awesome guide for you on how to disable the new friends notifications in Messenger. If you're tired of constantly receiving notifications whenever someone accepts your friend requests, stick around. Let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble icon with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, then tap on Install to download and install the app. Once you've signed into the Messenger app, let's disable the new friends notifications. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Now tap on the gear icon to access the app settings. Great! Scroll down until you reach the Notification and Sounds option in the Preferences section. Within the Notification and Sounds menu, look for the New Friend Notifications option. This is the setting we want to turn off. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to New Friend Notifications to disable it. From now on, whenever someone accepts your friend requests, you won't receive the usual notification saying, "You're connected on Facebook," etc. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the new friends notifications in Messenger. Enjoy a more peaceful and clutter-free experience. To quickly recap the steps. Step 1. Download and install the Messenger app from the Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the Messenger app and sign in with your Facebook account. Step 3. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Step 4. Tap on the gear icon to access the app's settings. Step 5. Scroll down and find the Notification and Sounds option. Step 6. Locate the New Friend Notifications option and toggle it off. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled the new friends notifications in Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Enjoy a clutter-free Messenger experience, and we'll see you in the next video.